ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಅದ್ದೂರಿ ಆಚರಣೆ. ನಾಡು ನುಡಿಯ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠತೆಯನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದ BGS ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು.
Celebration of Children's Day. Children of today are tomorrow's citizens.
Trust level sports and cultural meet held at Sri Kshetra Adi Chunchanagiri.
Taluk level Pratibha Karanji competitions are organized by Department of School Education.
ಕನ್ನಡ ರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವದ ಅದ್ದೂರಿ ಆಚರಣೆ. ನಾಡು ನುಡಿಯ ಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠತೆಯನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಹಿಡಿದ BGS ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು.
ನವೆಂಬರ್ 1ರಂದು BGS ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ DC ಮೋಹನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಹಾಗೂ ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶಪ್ಪ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಧ್ವಜಾರೋಹಣ ಮಾಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸಂಭ್ರಮ 50 ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಕನ್ನಡ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸುವುದು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಆದ್ಯ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಕನ್ನಡ ಕೇವಲ ನವೆಂಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳಿಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗದೆ ಇಡೀ ವರ್ಷವೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದೇ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತದೆ ಎಂದು ಕನ್ನಡ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗೋಪಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣರವರು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ DC ಮೋಹನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಭಾಷೆ. ಅಂತಹ ಅಮ್ಮನ ಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಮೊದಲು ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಬೇಕು, ನಂತರ ಜ್ಞಾನಾರ್ಜನೆಗಾಗಿ ಇತರ ಭಾಷೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕಲಿಯಬೇಕು. ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆ ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆಯು ತಾಯಿಯ ಮುಕುಟಮಣಿ ಎಂದು ಭಾವಿಸಬೇಕು. ಜಗಕ್ಕೆ ಜೈ ಭಾರತ ಜನನಿಯ ತನುಜಾತೆ, ಜಯ ಹೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಮಾತೆ ಎಂದು ಕುವೆಂಪುರವರು ಹೇಳಿರುವುದು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಅನ್ನದ ಭಾಷೆ, ಮಾತೃಭಾಷೆಯನ್ನು ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮರೆಯಬಾರದು ಎಂದು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. 3ನೇ ಮಾಸಿಕ ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉನ್ನತ ಸ್ಥಾನ ಪಡೆದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಹುಮಾನವನ್ನು ವಿತರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು.
Celebration of Children's Day. Children of today are tomorrow's citizens.
Each and every child have innocent smile on the face and purity in their heart. We have celebrated Children's Day in our school. Children's Day is initiated by our principal, Sri DC Mohan Kumar sir. After lighting the lamp, our principal delivered the day's significance and he advised the students by remembering the great luminaries of our country. Jawaharlal Nehru is the first Prime Minister of India. In the memory of Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as Children's Day because he loved the children so much. Our school children enjoyed a lot to see the performance of our teachers and our teachers enthusiastically performed and entertained their students. To enhance the talents of our children, our LPS teachers conducted brainstorming activities and honored them with the star badges. Our principal, Sri DC Mohan Kumar sir, expressed his love and affection by serving the food to the twinkling stars of our school.
26 Trust level sports and cultural meet held at Sri Kshetra Adi Chunchanagiri.
26 Trust level sports and cultural meet held at Sri Adi Chunchanagiri Kshetra. Our Pujya Shri Dr. Nirmalanandanatha Mahaswamiji and other dignitaries are inaugurated this meet. After the inauguration, Pujya Guruji and other dignitaries received the salute from various marching troops and our school marching troop won the place in March Past. Our Pujya Guruji honored the marching students of our school. Even though our students have won the various medals in athletics and as well as group games, our HPS wing girls took the championship in athletics wing. Our Shrimat has conducted various cultural competitions like dance, bhajans, Hanigavana, Bhavagite, etc. From these cultural competitions, our school students have reached the attained feat by obtaining many prizes. Our Pujya Swamiji honored our school students. Our HM DC Mohan Kumar sir honored the sports and cultural meet students in our school and encouraged them to be participated successfully.
Taluk level Pratibha Karanji competitions are organized by Department of School Education.
Taluk level Pratibha Karanji competition as arranged by the Department of Education, Chikbalapur. The winners of the Hobli level have selected for the Taluk level and our school students from 1st to 10th standard participated in the majority events like speech, fancy dress, music, debate, dance, drawing, quiz and many more and won the prizes in many events and opt for the district level. Our principal, Sri DC Mohan Kumar sir, congratulated the winners and honored them in the school assembly.
Jai Shri Gurudev. I am Vaishnavi. Welcome to BGS English School, Agalagurki Special News.
Cultural Meet 2023 has conducted for LPS students. In LPS wing, different cultural competitions like pick and speak, seminar, music, dance, speech, drawing, PPT, etc. had conducted. Students had participated enthusiastically. Our principal encouraged the winners by honoring them in the school assembly.
Namasoma Jyotirgamaya. Light is a symbol of the bright future of us. In nursery wing, they celebrated Diwali festival in the marvelous manner. All small kids in colorful dress, they lighting the lamps. BGS Division Level Sports and Cultural Meet 2023 as conducted in the presence of our Chief Administrative Officer Dr. N. Shivram Reddy sir, our Principal DC Mohan Kumar sir, the headmasters and principals of other BGS institutions. Our school students have participated and won the prizes in both sports and cultural events like dance, quiz, drawing, PPT presentation, bhajani and many more, and selected for trust level competitions.
ದಿನಾಂಕ 30/11/2023ರಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ದಾಸಶ್ರೇಷ್ಠ ಸಂತ ಭಕ್ತರಾದ ಕನಕದಾಸರ ಜಯಂತಿಯನ್ನು ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಕನಕದಾಸರ ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಪುಷ್ಪಾರ್ಚನೆ ಮಾಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ DC ಮೋಹನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿದರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯ ಕನ್ನಡ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಗೋಪಾಲಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಕನಕದಾಸರ ಪುರಾಣ ಇತಿಹಾಸಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿ ತಿಮ್ಮಪ್ಪನವರು ಕನಕದಾಸರಾದ ಬಗೆಯನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದರು. ಪ್ರಾಂಶುಪಾಲರಾದ DC ಮೋಹನ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡುತ್ತಾ, ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದ ಮಹಾನ್ ಸಂತರ ಆದರ್ಶ ತತ್ವಗಳನ್ನು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಳವಡಿಸಿಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನೀವು ಅವರ ಹಾಗೆ ಮಹಾನ್ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಎಂದರು.
Thanks for watching BGS English School Agalakki Specialist. Now over to Ganamrita. That's all the news for today. Meet you